Hey guys, it's Adrienne, and today I want to talk to you about how you can advertise your business or your affiliate offers to a minimum of 3,000 leads every single day. So let's get into it. As many of you already know, leads are the lifeline to any business. If you don't have any leads, then you don't have a business. In the past, I've purchased solo ads, banner ads, classified ads, you name it, just to get my hands on some leads. Well, about 3 weeks ago, a friend of mine showed me how to get leads to come to me every day like clockwork. Now, first of all, this is not something new. It's been around for a couple of years now. And I want to show you what the typical online marketer can expect in the beginning when they first get started. So let's just take a look. Like I said, I joined this company a little over 3 weeks ago, and here are my results so far. I didn't purchase any advertising because I wanted to test how responsive the system is um, without using any outside advertising. And as you can see, I'm averaging about one paid sign up per week. At the end of your first month, you will have accumulated 3,000 leads that you can advertise to every day. The way this works is you'll start out with 100 leads loaded into your back office once a day. But because I referred at least one person, the system is going to load a total of 200 leads a day, and that's where these bonus leads come from. Now, keep in mind, you do not have to request these leads or click any links in an email to get the leads. The system will upload them automatically to your back office on a daily basis. Now, if you want to take a look at your leads, you can click the My Lead menu option. And if you already have an autoresponder, you can check this box and then scroll down to the bottom and download all your leads in a CSV file. However, an autoresponder is totally not necessary because you'll be mailing your leads from inside the system. Now, the master email swipes are additional emails that have been tested to be high converting emails. So when you join the program, you'll receive 10 email swipes, and those emails are located under the affiliate menu. But if you want an additional 30 emails to send to your leads, you can purchase the master email swipes for half price at $29.95 one time. If you decide to purchase it later down the road, then you're going to have to pay the full price, which is $59.95 one time. So keep that in mind when you sign up. When you get ready to send out an email, all you have to do is scroll down and click the red import link below the swipe that you want, and it'll take you to the mailing system. So once you get here, you're going to select the radio button to mail by date, and then click select all to mail your entire list, and the leads will be moved right over here. Then you just scroll down and select send from your name so that you can brand yourself better. The subject line will be pre-filled for you, and the body of the email will also be pre-filled. If you want the email to be sent to your leads during the time of day that they're most likely to open your email, then that's what this checkbox is for. Next, you will click the send button. The system will only allow you to mail once a day and will display a countdown clock to keep track for you. So if you're waiting to send your email, then that send button will not be here. But when it's time to send it, it'll populate. I don't recommend sending this email as it is. Instead, you're going to want to personalize it so that you can increase your conversion rate. All of your emails will be stored for you, and you can load them by scrolling up and then clicking this drop-down box right here and click load. You're going to want to set up your email by using this code to greet your leads by name. Also, you can add a link to the video presentation that I'm going to share with everyone who joins my team, and then also just add a picture of yourself so that your leads can see who's talking to them. These extra steps to personalize your emails, they really do make a difference, so make sure that you do these. Under statistics, this is where you can track the performance of your mailings, and you can see which emails went out with perfect timing and which ones did not. As you can see, I've done both, and so far I'm really not seeing too much of a difference yet, but I've only been in for 3 weeks, so I probably need to just give it a little bit more time. The affiliate menu is where you can see how much you're going to be paid for each referral. So for everyone that you directly refer, you will earn $5 a month, along with additional income as your team grows. If you refer 5 people within the same week, then you'll receive a $100 superstar bonus. You'll also receive a one-time commission of $5 to $1 each time someone purchases the master swipes when they join. Now, if they decide to purchase the master swipe later down the road, then your commission will be $10 to $2 because they are paying more for it. Okay, now under recommended advertising, this is where you'll find additional advertising resources that works just like a downline builder. So if you choose to purchase any of the advertising here, you can earn commission from your referrals who also make a purchase. All you got to do is just type in your referral ID in the box. So far, I have not tested these ad resources, but if I do, sometime in the future, I will make a video and then update my blog with the results. Now, under the account button is where you can update your profile, send a email support, and you can also log out of this system. Now, when you decide to partner with me, I will send you a welcome email that covers what you should do next, and also show you where to go to access our 14-unit training. I'll also provide you with your very own affiliate website that has a video so that it'll do all the explaining for you. So all you have to do is just advertise the website and to your leads every day. Now keep in mind that in the beginning, it may take anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks before you receive your very first referral. That's only because your list is small. So by the end of your first month, you'll be mailing at least 3,000 leads every single day. And this is definitely more than enough leads to begin seeing sales. The longer you stick with this system, the more money you'll make, simply because you'll have a larger list to advertise to. I've spent $150 for a single solo ad just to get about 80 opt-in leads out of it. But with my lead gen secret, 200 brand new leads are being added to my list every single day. Now you're probably wondering, what is the cost for this system? Well, I am pleased to report that it's only $30 a month. You just can't beat this advertising cost. I do want to mention that there is also a $30 startup fee that you pay one time. So when you join, be prepared to pay $60 for the first time. And then each month after that will remain at $30 a month, regardless of how large your lead list grows. This is absolutely the easiest business I've ever used to get signups because everybody needs leads. You just have to get the word out. So go ahead, click the link below this video or in the description and sign up today. I'll send over my welcome email to you right away, and you're also going to want to keep a copy of it so you can forward it to all your referrals. Well, that about sums it up, guys. So I will see you next time.